We're never certain of what we'll find along our path. It's how we use what we have that reveals the person we've become. God's presence prompts us to be faithful stewards with all He gives us. It's a prompting to gain wisdom, plan purposely, and give generously. Sometimes we find the Spirit does not spark easily, even if our intentions are generally good. We must be patient, diligent, and strategic with our actions. A true spirit of Christian stewardship and generosity ignites when we pursue our God-given dreams to impact others, and our planning becomes fruitful. Soon, our embers burn hot, establishing a foundation for who we've become. We experience the warmth God's created in us for others, and we move past our own needs with a desire to benefit those around us. Even when our conditions change and the flame flickers, we are equipped to tend to the fire, making it a little brighter and more resilient than before. We choose to set aside personal accomplishments to position others to succeed. And to our surprise, they've been watching. Then we realize what God has accomplished. The same spirit of stewardship and generosity that's transformed us has also been lit in them. Ignite a legacy of stewardship and generosity that serves our ministries, churches, and children far more than we ever imagined. Dream more, plan more, do more with Ambassador Advisors.